What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that intro that I made. I've been working on it for a while. It's a template, but I kind of made my own minor adjustments to it. You know, kind of tweaked it a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a new year, so let's get it. Okay, guys. So for today's episode, I'm gonna be installing a set of Rad Rubber design 4Runner splash guards. So these cost me $50 and with shipping about 60. So my 4Runner is missing on my driver's side. It's missing the set that's on that side, and this has been a thing that I've been putting off for a while. But finally, I've come to the conclusion that I really need them, and it looks ugly without it. So, but yeah, let me tell you guys a little bit more about these guys. So Rad Rubber design. You get the melts, you get this decal, you get the clips, so you don't have to go hunting down. You don't have to worry about, okay, mines don't have it, you know, what am I gonna do? You know, trying to go on a mission, trying to find the size that you need. So these are neoprene rubber resistant to UV, gas, and oil. So that's pretty cool. So they should last a long time. They are pretty thick, as you can see. So yeah, you get the passenger side. Here we go. You get the driver's front, you know, the driver's rear, the passenger side rear, and then the passenger front. So you get the full set, okay, for under $60, and that's not bad, you know, considering. I mean, yeah, you can make these yourself, but this is, you know, it's convenient. You just go online, order them, and you're done. Just wait for them to get here, and they got here pretty quick. So I can't complain. I'm happy with my purchase. So let me show you guys what it looks like when you don't have these on. Okay, guys, so this is my driver's side. As you can see, everything is exposed, and it looks kind of ugly. So, but yeah, everything is exposed, and this is an easy install. It's nothing complicated. I mean, you can do this in maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes tops. You can't take off the wheel. I'm not gonna take off the wheel. I'm gonna leave the wheel on, just because that's more work than what I need. So I'm gonna put this one on, and then, so that way you guys can see what it looks like with them installed. So, alright. So this is the passenger side. As you can see, these look a little bit rough. I mean, I'm sure they'll still hold up, but I mean, nothing like a little bit of an update, you know, to these. So, but okay, I'm gonna put the other side on, and then I'll show you guys that while I do those. Okay, guys, so something I failed to mention is, so in the packet that you get of fasteners, you got 28 fasteners, 20 of them being 5/16. So if you do get this, these are gonna be the 5/16, okay, and then these are gonna be the 1/4 inch. Okay, so with those ones, so on the diagram, right here, the 1/4 inch are gonna go on the bottom for this driver front, and then the 5/16 are gonna go on the top, as you can see there. Okay, so alright, so 5/16 on the top, and the good thing is you have different amounts of the 5/16 and the 1/4 inch, so you know how many you have of the 5/16 and where they go based off of the diagram, which is again really nice. So okay, so we'll continue this. So 5/16. Okay, so I'm just gonna be putting these in just like this, just like, because I don't wanna lock them in just yet, just in case, you know, I put them in the wrong hole. So okay, so there's that. Okay, let's see. There's one here. So there you have it, guys. There's today's episode. Rad Rubber heavy duty neoprene engine splash guards, resistant to UV, heat, and oil. Now we just gotta see if they stand the test of time. But yeah, I mean, they look good. I'm impressed. So thank you guys for watching today's episode. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.